Hello, how are you today? Today we are going to talk about conditionals. Vamos a hablar sobre los condicionales. We have 4 types of conditional: zero conditional, first conditional, second and third conditional. Today we are only going to talk about 2 types, zero and first. Tenemos 4 condicionales, pero hoy solo vamos a hablar de 2, el zero conditional and first conditional. En el próximo vídeo hablaremos del second and third. Os he hecho unos esquemas y algunos ejemplos para que los podáis entender mejor. So we have here the first conditional. The name is zero conditional. We use it with general truth or things that always happen. A zero conditional sentence consists of 2 clauses. The first, an if clause and a main clause. You can use if or when and the meaning will be the same. For example, if or when you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. Si calientas el agua a 100 grados, hierve. If the if clause comes first, we need to put a comma. And al contrario, cuando cambiamos la frase principal al principio, water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees, el agua hierve si la calientas a 100 grados. En ese caso no necesitaríamos ninguna coma. In the zero conditional, we use always the same verb form, simple present. And we have here some examples. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Si llueve, la hierba se moja. And wood doesn't burn if there is no air. La madera no se quema si no hay aire. Now we have here the first conditional. It is used for talking about possibilities in the present or in the future. Like in the zero conditional, we have 2 clauses, an if clause and the main clause. For example, if you study hard, you will pass the test. Si estudias mucho, aprobarás el examen. Like in the zero conditional, if the if clause comes first, we need to put a comma. Necesitamos poner la coma cuando la frase empieza por if. En el caso contrario, cuando cambiamos el orden de la frase, you will pass the test if you study hard. Aprobarás el examen si estudias mucho. We use different verb forms in each part of a first conditional. If, subject, and simple present verb, or subject, will, that's future, and the verb. And we have some examples like, if it's sunny, we'll go to the park. Si está soleado, iremos al parque. If you cook the soup, I will wash the dishes. Si tú cocinas la sopa, yo limpiaré los platos. And Paula will be sad if Juan leaves. Paula estará triste si Juan se va. I hope that you have understood that conditionals, and I'm going to put you some links, a video and some activities, and we'll see the other conditionals on the next session. Okay, bye and see you soon. Thank you.